Hello, so in this video I'm going to demonstrate some of the changes I've made to the visualizer program. As before, you can choose the COM port that the device is listening on, so we'll go ahead and connect to it. And once we have connected, you will see the data streaming in. So one of the main changes, or first changes if you will, are the markers, so M1 and M2. So I have made it more clear where they are, and also let me go ahead and change this iteration circle. So you'll notice this sort of column select view here. So before, let me go ahead and pause that. I had it where you would select by default an individual cell. So maybe I wanted to know the amplitude of this data point. So as you can see, that M1 marker is indicating -57, and if I wanted to, I could select this one over here, so that's M2. Well, they have the same. Okay, so this one over here is -50. So you can still, if you wanted to, you can still choose individual data points, or you can go back to this new column selection and anyway, so that is now a possibility. So when it's in column selection mode, the amplitude that is presented is the data point at the front row according to what mode you have here. So I'm in average mode, and let me go ahead and resume playback, resume data stream. And I can change that to 10 iterations again, and so you'll see this change accordingly. Now, one of the other features or changes is the ability to record the data coming from the device. So I can choose a slot to record in. It doesn't have to be an empty slot, but I will go ahead and choose slot number 5 here. And you can see it is recording. And even if I'm recording, I can still make changes on the device itself. So right now you can see the start and stop frequencies are 1227 and 1347. But if I wanted to, I could change those. I could do that on the device. So you can see this is now let's see, 1257, and I can do it again, 1287 and 1407. So in any case, while you're recording, it will make notes of these changes, so when you play it back later, it will update the labels as appropriate when the time comes. So now that we have a record file, we can go ahead and play it back if we wanted to do so. So I can do that now. I choose load recording, slot number 5. So you can see it is now playing back what was previously recorded. So again, it started at 1227, and by default, when you play back a file, it has a rate of 1.0 playback rate. You can speed it up, and now you can see so it adjusts the start and stop frequency from what it encountered in the record file. Alright, so those are the main changes so far. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Thanks.